Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to create iCloud mail ID on iPhone. Follow this easy and step-by-step tutorial to learn how to create iCloud mail ID. Go to your iPhone settings app and first of all make sure to sign into your Apple ID. Now tap on your name and here tap on iCloud and make sure your phone is connected to the internet. Okay, once you're here, just tap on iCloud Mail. And remember one thing, that using a single Apple ID, you will be able to create only one iCloud Mail. And after creating a iCloud Mail, here is no option to change your iCloud Mail. So must use a valid and accurate email address for your iCloud Mail. Okay, here in this email box, just type email address for your iCloud mail. So I'm typing here johnwoolston26@icloud.com and must use a unique email address, and then just tap on continue. And now you have to tap on confirm email address. And as you can see, all set, your new iCloud mail address this is my email address. You can start using your new email address right away. You can also import your messages from another email address. Now just tap on done, and that's it. This is how we can create iCloud mail on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.